Alright.
Right for
Oh, what county is it?
you know, Boeing line segments and potential widespread straight line damage.
Showers after midnight.
So that is what is on the table today.
Dang it, it's barely not included.
Chance of precipitation 90%.
That's mostly driven
Wednesday,
by
showers with thunderstorms likely. Breezy with highs in the upper 60s.
most recent one here.
Chance of precipitation near 100%. Wednesday night.
I'm gonna capture this one with WG536.
All the way over into Logansport, Angola, in places in northern Indiana and Illinois. A couple tornadoes possible, scattered hail.
Highs in the mid-40s. East winds 5 to 10 miles.
In this tornado watch, and there's another tornado watch. If I can find it here. Yeah, there's another one for about 4 million people, a little bit farther to the south. So this includes Evansville, up to Indianapolis, Centralia, Mattoon. This goes until 7 p.m. So we've got a ton of people under a tornado watch right now.
Just barely got
Yeah,
in.
Clarksville, you guys are in for some strong storms today, for sure. And let me go look at that most recent.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 71, effective until 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Cook, DuPage, Ford, Grundy, Iroquois, Kane, Kankakee, Kendall, Livingston, and Will, and the following counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper, Lockford, Lake, Newton, Porter, Pulaski, and Stark, and the following: Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois, Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois, Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana, Gary to Burns Harbor, Indiana, Burns Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana, and Lake Michigan from Wilmette Harbor, Illinois to Michigan City, Indiana, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to Noaa Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is Noaa's Weather Radio, West North G536 in DeKalb. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. The station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for Winnebago, Boone, DeKalb, Buckle, Kane, and Lake counties. Standard broadcasts will be material to bring you the latest severe weather information.
Cumberland counties in
The
Illinois.
current time is 1:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
The rotation is subtle, but it's there. And that's moving up towards Tuscola and Charleston, bringing about 60-mile-an-hour winds and 1 inch in diameter hail. All right, let me go over this.